Watch this video and learn how to draw a witch. It's okay, Artie. She's a friendly witch.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie.
Hello. Hello, everyone.
Well, that's very polite, Artie. Hello back. What are we going to do today?
Artie wanna make art.
Okay.
What's up, Artie?
Hello, Artie!
Yeah.
Hello, Betty and Mikey. Okay, let's start our drawing. Let's start by drawing our witch's hat. Draw a little hooked line on the left. See? It looks just like a little hook. Now we're going to draw a much bigger hook just above the first one. That's perfect, Artie.
Yes! Guess what, Betty? It's a marker day.
Again?
We'll use a paintbrush one day, Betty, I promise. Well, it doesn't look much like a witch's hat yet. Little artists, if Artie's going too quickly, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's draw a square towards the top of the hat. This is going to be the buckle, a sort of belt buckle around the witch's hat. A smaller square inside the first one. Now let's do the belt. 2 lines going all the way across, and then an end line. Let's do the same on the right side. 2 little lines going across, and then an end line. Now she has a belt with a buckle on her hat. What's next? Yes, let's do the underside of her hat. A big curvy line. Now it's time to start our witch's eyes. Let's draw 2 tiny little circles and we'll shade them in black. That's right. One on the left and one on the right.
Mikey, this is so much fun!
I told you it'd be great.
Now we're going to draw slightly larger circles around those small ones. Again, one on the left and one on the right. Let's make the eyes bigger. It'll be good. Let's draw another circle now around the left eye first. Make this one even bigger than the last one. That's great. Let's do the same on the right eye. That's right. Nice big circle. Now she has 2 big witchy eyes. Let's give her some eyelashes. Make her look a little bit more friendly. Yeah, she's a nice friendly witch after all.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
Just draw short, thick, black lines for the eyelashes. You can do 4 or 5 on each eye. How many did Artie do on the left eye? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See how many he's going to do on the right eye. 1, 2 so far. 3. There's not much room left. 4. That's enough. Let's start on her face.
Yeah. Okay.
We're going to give her a nice big round face. Draw a curve coming from her chin up towards the hat, then go across her forehead and then curve down like a little fringe. Come back down the right side of her face and then connect those 2 pieces together so she has a lovely round face. Very nice. She looks great, Artie. Let's give her some hair. Witches always have thick black hair. Draw her thick black hair, Artie. Are you having fun, Artie? Oh good, I'm pleased. Now keep drawing her hair. Lots of sort of curvy triangle shapes for her hair. I think that's nearly it for the left side. Let's do some on the right side of her face, Artie. Same kind of shapes, sort of curvy triangle shapes. Nice and spiky. This is going to look so good when it's coloured in. Nice thick black hair, maybe green skin.
Green.
Yes, witches have green skin.
Quack, quack.
Dance break. You want to stop for a little
Quack,
while and have a dance break? Okay, go along.
quack, quack.
Go on.
Man, he sure took off quick.
Where did he go?
I mean, what can I say to that? I just don't have words. I have two numbers, though. 1, 0, 10.
That was a great dance break, Artie. Whew, I'm exhausted just watching you. Shall we carry on with the drawing? Come on, let's finish this witch drawing. Let's give her some hands and some arms. Draw a simple little W shape, and then a line curving up towards her neck. Same again on the other side. Curve down and draw a simple little W-shaped hand. Now curve back up, and go to the other side, and curve back up. Now she has arms. Let's draw her dress. A big sweeping curve shape, left and right. And how about a neck? 2 little short lines and a curve across. Add a bit more hair to fill in the gaps. Finishing touches. That's right.
That looks fantastic.
Just marvelous.
Let's join up the bottom of her dress with a simple curve right the way across. Let's give her some little witch shoes. Draw a spiral shape, and we're going to make little witch boots. Another spiral shape around it, a little heel, and now she has a witch boot. Oh, I like how you added a sock, Artie. Let's do the same on the right side. Try and make it match if you can. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, but try your best. Artie's really concentrating. Look at him go, little artist. That's right, Artie. You concentrate. Well, I think our witch is done, but what else could we add?
A bat.
A bat? Well, okay, why not? Yes, we've got some space at the top of the page. Let's draw a little bat. What should we call our bat, Artie?
Batty.
Batty. Batty. Okay, Batty. There's Batty. You know what I just noticed, Artie? We haven't given the witch a mouth or nose yet.
Watching Artie make art is so exciting.
I love it.
Let's give her a little nose, just a tiny little dot. And let's give her a big smiling mouth, because she's a friendly witch, remember? Should we draw teeth? Oh, I know, Artie. Let's just draw 2 teeth. Very witchy. Oh, and let's draw a spider hanging from the end of her hat.
Yeah.
She certainly looks very happy with her bat and spider friends.
They're her pets.
Oh, they're her pets, are they? I guess, okay.
What?
You're finished? Well, this one came out really good, Artie. I can't wait to see this in colour. You're finished? Wow, Artie, she came out so good. I love her green skin and purple hair.
Yeah.
I thought you were going to do black. You did purple hair. Fantastic.
Bye for now. And be sure to make an Artie day every day.
That's right, Betty. Make every day an Artie day. We'll be here waiting for you when you next join us. Have an Artie day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.